Alright, so we got a Samsung dishwasher here. Now the problem with it, it was not draining. Had water inside and it was basically stagnant water. Pump would not come on. So a lot of times when your pump is not coming on, it could either be a bad pump or you might just have something caught in the pump. So be mindful of that. Now, just using a shop vac to evacuate the water does not solve your problem because the pump will still need to be able to drain the water. So be mindful of that. Now, yes, you can use the shop vac to do it, but you still want to basically remove the pump and verify that there's nothing caught in the housing itself. So be mindful of that. A lot of times, even when you remove the obstruction, go ahead and stand the dishwasher up into its upright position and then tap it and check again, because a lot of times something else could be in there and it falls down, so you're not going back into it again and again. All right. Now I'm tapping the pump. Sometimes this will actually get you going and you don't have to remove the pump. So go ahead and do a slight tap. Nothing hard, something plastic. And what you're doing is agitating whatever that is caught, and hopefully you can get it to be pumped out. But a lot of times, if it's something large enough, it will not go past or go through the drain tube or drain hose, then it will not actually drain and it will still be a problem. Keep that in mind. Got a lot of stuff in that. All right, so I like to mark. Now, what we're doing here is taking off the pump. Now, sorry, I couldn't show you exactly where and how to push that clip in, but I will show you now what you can do to press it. Now, all you're going to be doing is getting a small pick or something and push. Once you push, it's going to allow you to turn the pump and bring it towards you. Now, you want to be super careful. You might even be able to reach your finger behind there and just push. There's no visual. I might have a short clip where I can show it to you, but pretty much you just have to push and turn or keep your dishwasher nice and clean so you don't have to get glass or anything getting in there.
It's running. It's
Found it.
quiet.
Look at that.
Piece
Show
of
it to her.
glass.
Be careful.
Was it a piece of glass? Was that
I
there?
always find the problem.
And so that's
Good. I didn't hear anything else, but I should actually set it back up just in case if there's two. I don't think there's going to be more, but I'm ready. When it's time to put your new pump on or your other pump, make sure you clean the gasket well. Check the housing for anything that might still be in there. And then push the pump on before you start to turn. Make sure it's fully seated and sitting in the housing. Then you slowly turn it and lock it in. If the pump is not locked in, you might want to figure out a way to secure it. Otherwise, it could eventually come loose and you can end up with a leak. You do not want to do that. All right, so pay attention. Make sure the pump is secured and sealed well. You can also pour water in the dishwasher, let it sit, to verify that the pump is not leaking before you actually put the unit back into service. You know, I'm like, why is that thing not going in, right? Makes no sense. Look.
More glass.
More glass. I'm like, I've put many of these in. It's lining up.
The fork too, right? We found the fork.
You found a fork as well, so. Oh, man. We had a nice sludge hole here. Yeah, that's why we wear gloves. All right, that looks good.